We solved a very similar question before. The only difference is that this is asking us to find the height of a building. So again, for free fall, the first two equations out of the five are, the most relevant for this case. So v naught minus gt, and the other one is yt minus y naught equals v naught minus 1/2 gt squared, right? So for this case, however, we're given the expression for the velocity as a function of time, which is r minus st, right? So this is very similar to this here. So the value of r is 5, and then s is minus 10, and t. So this is in meters per second. So really here we're talking about gravity and initial velocity, right? So now let's just draw it. Usually, like for physics problems, it really helps to, draw out the problem, and just put your diagrams so that you can visualize it. So here we have height of a building. Let's call it y naught. So you're throwing the ball up from this height, right? And it's ultimately gonna come down to the surface, but it's gonna reach, a peak height here. So the question is asking us if it takes it, to reach the surface, which means all the way around this round trip time. If that time is 2 seconds, what is y naught? What's the height of the building, right? So from this here, y of t minus y naught equals vot minus 1/2 gt squared. Again, here yt minus y naught equals v naught is 5. You're given 5 there. Minus 1/2 10 t squared. So your expression is yt minus y naught equals 5t minus 5t squared. So this is really the expression we're playing with. So the key component here is that when it touches the surface of the surface, y of t is 0 because you're at 0 height. So that means 0 minus y naught equals 5t. Apologies here. 5t 5t minus 5t squared. So we're looking for, our y naught here becomes 5t squared minus 5t after, removing the negative sign. And we're looking for, we're told that it's going to take 5 seconds. So y naught becomes it's going to take 2 seconds. 5 times 2 squared minus 5 times 2. Here, this is 20 minus 10. So it's going to be 10 meter. So the height of the building has to be 10 meter if it takes the object to reach the ground within time of 2 seconds. Thank you.